elevate and be slim. Order now at healthylooking.com or 800-394-9930. Don't forget promo code George for free shipping. That's 800-394-9930 or at healthylooking.com. If you want to improve your marksmanship, you need a Mantis X. The Mantis X can improve your abilities dramatically, and it is a must for every responsible gun owner. The Mantis X is a high-tech but easy-to-use system used extensively by the military that improves your aim quickly and gives you confidence in your ability to protect what you love. And here's how it works. You attach the Mantis X to your firearm, connect with an app on your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth, and it gives you instant feedback on what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, and how to correct your technique. The Mantis X is like a firearms instructor in your pocket. 94% of those users improve within 20 minutes using Mantis X. The best part is that you can use it at home. And the other best part is the best in the world do what they call dry fire practice at home. And the Mantis X is the best way to train at home. No driving to the range, spending money on range fees or ammo. And you save a ton of money and improve your shooting. Start improving today. Get your MantisX.com. That's Mantis, MANTIS X.com. Marvelous Entertainment and author Marvin Sunderland have released the newest in action-adventure science fiction that specifically deals with the question, are we alone in the universe? This action-packed drama includes a 7-novel masterpiece, comic books, video games, and movies of Sergeant Waggett's journeys across the universe. Get 20% off the entire 7-novel series and all future graphic novels. Enter coupon code Coast to Coast, all lowercase on Marvelous.com. That's MARVALEOUS.com.
How long does it take to tackle a home project? With Angie, you could cross it off your list before this ad is over. Just tell us what you need. Indoor or outdoor, repair or redesign. And we handle the rest, sending a top pro to get it done. You don't have to lift a finger, except to tap the screen or click the mouse. Plus, Angie is free to use. So bring us your next home project, and we'll bring it home. Download the app or go to Angie.com. That's ANGI.com to get started. And welcome back, George Norrie with Mark Seifer. Mark, what was that aha moment for you when you were doing your research on ozone therapy that just overwhelmed you and you were just, wow?
I think when I called Dr. Howard Robbins, Dr. Robert Rowan, by the way, is a graduate of Johns Hopkins University and University of California, San Francisco Medical School, and he wanted to go to Sierra Leone, West Africa, to treat the Ebola pandemic. And he called up Dr. Robbins,
not a pandemic.
and he said, would you accompany me to treat, this was in 2014, the Ebola pandemic.
No, it wasn't.
And Dr. Robbins said, hey, you out of your freaking mind? Forget it. And so Rowan said, well, I'm going to eat. Dr. Robbins said to himself, I'm going to let him get all the credit. So he called him right back and says, okay, I'll go with him. So they got 20 ozone machines from Longevity Research, which the FDA has just forced them out of business. So that's a terrible start to this. But in any event, Longevity Research gave them 20 ozone machines, and they went to see.
Funny.